okay, it seems like the resolution's okay, but I still can't preview it because I don't have the Flash encoder. Actually, let's try it on Ubuntu. Actually, that's an idea. Right, hang on. What? Oh, right, hang on a minute. It should be even better now. Hang on a minute. Right, so if I need to click that link myself and open it in a tab, because I want to just check. Right, yeah, I'll have to preview it on Ubuntu by the looks of it. Ah, that works. Right, let me turn the volume down because it's going to get pretty loud in a second. Right, hang on a minute. Audio. Gain control. Noise suppression. Right. Okay, just a minute, let's see. I might as well close that because it's not helping at all. Right, let's go back to the virtual machine. Let's skip forward a bit. Oh, what happened there? Oh, that's my previous video. I need to refresh the page. Refresh. Looks like I'm still looking at the history. Hang on, am I actually live? Right now. Prior to this I am. So what the heck's going on? Right, so let me just click on this again. I don't know what it is. Maybe I increased a bit the resolution. Okay. I don't hear a damn thing. Oh, that could be Ubuntu, because sometimes audio doesn't work on Ubuntu. Always a problem. Always another problem. I don't know what it is about Ubuntu, but sometimes the audio doesn't work. But it looks like it's working actually, because let's check the Screen resolution. Right, okay. What am I on? I'm on speed 60, let's check 6, 720. Oh yeah, it's definitely a lot better. I just don't have any audio on Ubuntu. I don't know why, it just does that sometimes. Right. Okay, so... oh, you've got audio. Well, that's good. Yeah, Ubuntu's got a codec capture problem. Yeah, I've got a load more things to sort out, so let me just minimise the virtual machine a minute. Let's try. Let me just see if I can fix anything. Let me just see. Maybe my Firefox wants an update, I don't know. Let's just try doing that. Let's just check. CPU. Well, I've got plenty of memory now. I'm only using 2.9 gigabytes right now, and I've got a total of 6, so 5 gigabytes remaining, which is good. Right, that's just fine. XP plus X64 plus YouTube plus what's it, X 264 plus HD plus Flash. I'll try that anyway. HTML5, H264 work, video work on Windows XP. How to make HTML5, H264 MVC work or video work on Windows XP. Oh, go away. Using Firefox. Right. Let me just get this bigger because I can't see a damn thing. This is one thing that has brought to me by 2 users. Talked to me about this on IRC, and because I got a bit pissed off at myself, I decided to look into the matter. Basically, HTML5 video on Windows XP, XP64, but not with VP8, VP9, but also with H264. That's basic. A lot of videos on the web rely on H264, and sometimes you simply can't watch certain videos, or you won't get all the available resolutions. Of course, you could just rely on Adobe Flash, but since Google basically took over with their Pepper Flash plugin and their Chrome browser no longer supports XP, it's not the best move either, especially when you think about Adobe's history with critical security loopholes in Flash, blah, 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 blah. Let's just find out where this flipping patch is, making it work. On XP and XP, the plugin should reside in the folder Making it work. Oh, I missed it. I should have read this. So why doesn't it just go? Just read this bit. Right. Oh, I see it's been disabled. Right, okay, it's in there, it's just been disabled. On Windows XP and XP x64, the plugin should reside in the folder. User profile, blah 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 blah. Yeah, I'm not going to say all that. That folder should contain the files EME Adobe DLL, EME Adobe Info, and EME Adobe Voucher. If it doesn't, maybe because you have a DRM-free version of Firefox, just create the folder structure yourself, get the necessary files from here. Let's just see if they still exist. Oh yeah, they do. Right, save file, browse. Oh, what am I doing? Save file. Right, I want to save it in Firefox. So I'm basically live streaming fixing my Windows. It's a 7-zip file. Right, I've got the file, so let's see if we can enable it if it's already in there. That folder should contain the files in yeah. If it doesn't, maybe because you have a yeah, right. Having the files present won't enable Adobe Primetime. Yeah, oh yeah, that's it, Primetime. Yeah, I actually had that before. So yeah, I think I've actually enabled it before. I just forgot how to do it. Primetime, no, it's Cisco stuff you can see. Still need to tweak a few things on the about config page, right? So it's, yeah, I remember that. Yeah, there's dragons there, I know. Right, so let me just get rid of that. And we go to about config. Where's the dragons? Yeah. Right, there's dragons in here. Right, now I need to find these. So how's the stream working? Is it good? Is it clear tubes, or is it glitching out on me, on you, or whatever? Look for the following properties. Set them to the values shown below. If a property doesn't exist yet, Media, GMP, Adobe, both supported, most likely won't. Just create them yourself. Most of them are Boolean properties, and all of those need to be set to true. Right, okay, yeah, I remember this. Media, GMP, Adobe, let me just copy this one anyway. I need to open a text file because it's a lot easier. I could put it all in a list. Alright, so I need to look for this lot, basically. Alright, let's just stick this lot down here. Let's save that. Save in Firefox as put it as decoder. Right, so I've got to find Let's find it. Search. It's not there. Alright, so it's not there, so I need to add it. Alright, it's not there because it would have found it. I think. Alright, so I forgot how you create it now. Hang on a minute. Oh, I need to get these now. Alright, I've already got them. Alright, hang on a minute. So, right, so that folder, right. Right, so let me copy that a minute. Right, so basically it will be administrator, because I don't have a user profile. Right, administrator, have I got a gap there? Yes, I have. Right, so I want to go there. Just a minute, there's a lot of messing about. Typical user profile application. I'll let me just go there manually. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. I want to be application data. Where are we? Application data. Right, there we go. Mozilla. No, that's the wrong one. Mozilla Firefox profiles. Administrator. Firefox profiles. Hang on. Mozilla Firefox profiles. Administrator folder. It must be in here. What the hell? Where is it? GMP, EME, Adobe. GMP, that's it. No, that's not it. GMP-EME, what's that? It's not there, so I need to create the GM. That's right. Right, I need to create an administrator. What the hell? Administrator folders. Why does it say administrator? Oh, I see. Administrator. They've messed it up there. So I'm in administrator profiles. What the hell? This is weird. Go back on me. Profiles administrator. There isn't an administrator folder. Well, it must be this weird thing. The weird name. I was suspicious that these instructions have got corrupted. Because there's a what do you call it on that? That doesn't look right. Let's look at this page again. Oh. Alright, it just says your profile folder there. Why is that getting messed up? Let's copy that a minute. I don't get it, why it got messed up. Right, your profile folder. Alright, so we need to create this one. And 17. I mean that's right. 17, right. Now I need to get those zip files. Oh shit, 7-zip. I haven't got it installed yet. Well, I think it's time to install this freaking, let's see, I've got 7-zip somewhere in here. Archives. There we go. Right, okay, I should be able to open that now. Refresh. Oh, no, I should be able to open it. Ah! Just a minute. Where's 7-zip now? Right. I want to open. Right, okay, got it. I want to extract it. I don't want to archive it. That's ridiculous. Don't say I've got to reboot again. Oh, this is no good. Hang on a minute. Get the 7-zip. Settle. not rebooting right now. I'm just going to install WinRAR, that'll sort it out. Right, okay, all done. Right. Okay, now I can see it. Right, new folder. Extract here. Right, that's better. That's 17. Okay, that's what I want. Right, 17, copy. Paste. That's that done. Where'd it go? There it is, right. Okay, so now I think I remember. I think it's right click, new boolean. Right, that's it. I remember now. Right, so new boolean. True. Right, okay. New. New boolean. Just trying to remember stuff. Alright. Oh, maybe I should have put that in. Never mind, hang on. New boolean. True. Can't see. My eyes are going funny. Alright, that's the one I need to remove because that was an error. I don't know how to get rid of it, you know. Del. No. Oh well, don't matter. If it doesn't exist, it'll ignore it. I'll just put it on false. Right. I want that one. I want to put that one in as well. Enabled. Alright. I'm going to start again because I'm going to mess this up, I can tell you now. I'm rusty with this stuff. I've got a backup though, I'm not worried. Alright, I'll go down to version 1. Nice that you can double click it and it turns it to true. Right, all done. If I go in the wrong directory it won't work and I'll just have to move the files into the right directory. Right, so I'm going to copy the shortcut for this web page in my document. So that I can find it again. Right, it should work now. Let's see. Due to several users reporting it, Eric last Valentine, the setting media version 7 has been added to the global list. Right, okay, after making these changes you'll need to restart Firefox. Now you might already be good to go. But on some configurations about plugins might show something like this. I can't even see that. Right, okay, I will go back. Alright, let's try it. Close it. I might actually put that folder in. Copy that folder. I'm going to stick it in 2 locations just in case, because if it looks in the wrong place, it won't matter anyway if it's in 2 locations, as long as it finds it. It might be the extension. Oh, I'll just try it first. Right. Let's see if it works now. Let's go to YouTube. If I can find it. Let's see. Is it going to work? Good. No, it doesn't. Not yet. Right. So I must have put that blooming thing in the wrong place. Maybe it's the extensions folder. Let's have a look. No, I don't like that one. It's got to be in the extensions of features. Oh, I know how to find out. It'll be on my other system and I can access the drive. Yeah. Hang on. Just a minute. Right, it should be on here as well. And that works. And I can access my my 32-bit XP version on here, so I can remember. I can see where it is. Because I've forgotten. Where's Mozilla? There it is, right. It should be in here. You see it's different on here though. Extensions. Firefox. Good profiles. Right, okay, it's in that weird name, it's under there, so I need to put the other one in the same place on here, so hang on, let's go back to Windows XP 64-bit, so this folder is in the wrong place, so I'll cut that, and it needs to be in there. Right, now it should work. Right, I had the wrong place. Right, now it should work. I'm so rusty. Huh, still doesn't. Yeah, what the hell? Right, so, yeah. I thought I put it in the right place. Let me have a look, hang on a minute. That's the folder there. Move it there because I want to be able to see. I have a suspicion. What if I copy here again to my other system because it works on there. Which directory is that in? Profiles, some default 17. That is in profiles, and right. I'm sure that's in the right folder. It should work. Unless I did something wrong. Hang on, let's have a look at the other one. Back on my XP system, the files should be the same. Let's copy these. I know these work. Replace those with them other ones. All the same size. Unless Firefox doesn't close out properly. Oh, I know it could be. Let's just... Let's just see if that plays first. Well, that video is not finished encoding, that's why it's not showing up. Let's try another live stream I did before. Right, does that work? Yeah, that's working.
It's only as basic as said before, but what I've also done is I remember talking lots of all of them.
Right, that works. So why is this showing up? Try refresh. Go away. Just sort of got bad video settings. It's probably because I'm hammering the computer right now. What the hell is wrong with this thing? What? I'm up to date. Up to date? That's impossible. I'm never up to date. Oh, unless it only works in the older version of the browser, that could be what it is. Yeah, because I think it only supports the browser 47 version. That could be what it is. Let's have a look. I might be on the browser version, might be too near, could be it. Hang on, let's have a look. I think I remember now. It's got to be a certain browser. Let's have a look. See, find version. Note that this guide is thus based on Firefox exclusively. Anything starting with version 47 should work. Bloody hell. Official support came in 49 and I'll be using the current version 51 at the time of writing. Okay, so it's not going to work in Firefox 52 by the looks of it. Well, I'm gonna leave it for now and reboot and see if it works. So why doesn't it just work in the first place? It did a few years back, right? Because H.264 playback relies on a DRM plugin on Linux. It would be the Google Widevine plugin. On Windows it's the Adobe Primetime plugin. So yes, Firefox does support DRM out of the box, but even if content isn't signed and encrypted, the browser still relies on these plugins to play H.264. And the problem is that Adobe found some problems with that plugin on XP, so they disabled support on the platform, blah 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 blah. Well, that's typical. The version 17 plugin is still being rolled out with the browser, however, and it is binary compatible with XP, so let's show you how to re-enable it. Well, I've already done all that, so I should have read all that. I forgot about the browser. Oh, I didn't put that in. Ah, hang on. Oh, I've typed the wrong thing now. What is it? Oh no, man, history. Oh, let's put this silly thing. Oh, stupid thing. Can't remember the flipping thing now. Where am I? Oh, right, that's what I'm doing wrong. Okay, that's why. I forgot to put this friggin' just a minute. Version in. Hang on, what is it? Just a minute, what is it? Is it a boolean or what? Okay, so it's not a boolean, it's a value, I think. So new, it'll be a string, or is it integer? $17. That must be it. Alright, we'll try it again. Close it out. I've got too many freaking tabs starting up every time. Actually, how warm is my computer getting? Usually overheats on it. Oh, it's at 71, that's not too bad. It usually overheats on Windows 32-bit. It might work. Fingers crossed. No, still not working. Let me just do a search a minute, because I've got a bad entry in there and I need to get rid of it. Well, that's okay, I changed it, so let me just edit, modify. No, that's okay, let me just I put it as an integer, let's just reset that. To a string. Oh, it's working! Yay! You've done it! Yay! At last, it works! Yeah, we fixed it. Yay! It's working! Yeah, it was a string, not an integer. Right. Okay. Let's get rid of that American logo, it's annoying me. Video effects. Oh, that's better. Check that. It's working. Yay! At last. Alright, so so I've got that done. What's the quality like on it? Let's check again. Let's see. HD. Oh yeah, much better. Oh, the logo's still there. Oh, I'm looking at a delay, that's what it is. Let's bump it forward a bit. Let's go to the latest. Yeah, it's working now. Okay, finally. Right. Right, I can close it out now. And that one out. Okay, close that. Yay, it works. Anyway, put date and time on. Let's try that one. Oh, too big. Actually, I'll turn the clock off, it's annoying. Right, so working. I've still got things to install, so let's see about. I'm not going to bother with Office sorry for this minute, but I can't find a version of Glasswire that'll work. Actually, I'll try it. No, it's not compatible. That's annoying. See if I can find. Let's see if I can find one for XP. I don't know which tablets I've been using today, I don't know. Yeah, I need to put my, I need to put the, password. I don't want anyone to see it, so hang on a minute. Oh my god. I got it was 23 gigabytes so far. Bloody hell. Oh, shit. That's all these Windows updates. Probably. Let's check this and scan it. So right. Why did I just say that? Ha, it's got a trodden in it. Trigger. Ah, you've been tagged. That's what it basically means. That's annoying. You can't find anything on the internet these days that hasn't got something in it. Like, sometimes you can, but and that website says, thank you for trusting our website. Right, okay. Let's try this other one. Oh, right, that one. Choose file. Nope, still in there. What the hell is this anyway? Detailed virus. So let's see what it is first. What is Trojan? Is a high-risk malware designed to perform a number of malicious tasks on victims' computers. It is also known as Trojan generated by Bitdefender and including spam emails, malicious attachments, fake Adobe Flash Player updaters, malicious websites, chain infections, even Facebook messages. Right, okay, well that piece of shit can get off my computer. Where is it? I've lost it now. Oh, it's in here. Right, let's find something else. Find another website that's got one. Got to be a clean one somewhere. Download. I don't want the latest version. What is it? Will work on my computer, the latest version. 2.1. Where's the download link? All the versions. Oh, there's a few on there. Ah! Free firewall. Let's try that one. Why are we using all the bandwidth up? Downloading crappy fake programs. Well, infected programs. It's technically the last Y website, which means it's probably the latest version. Don't want the latest version, it won't work. Oh, it says version 2.1. Oh, well, it must be the older version. Right, let's try it. Well, it's appearing in there, so alright. Back. Choose file. Oh God, still infected. I don't believe this crap. Well, let me find another version. Let's try. Oh, these are too recent anyway. Let's go way back, let's go to overwriting it. It looks like the same blooming version. Hang on. Oh, it's 2079. Let's go to number 2. Let's get version 1. No, that's still infected. Right, so let's go back. Where's version 1? Download this version. It still says version 2.1, so they're lying to me. You're lying, little twat. I want version 1. 1.2, 1.121. 1 year, 6 months ago. So why can't you give me that one? Try again. You're liars, telling lies. Just a minute, a few more on here. Let's go down here. 1, 2, where's the 1? I want this one. Look, it's lying to me. Still says 2.1. It will give me version 1 point something. Alright, up here, 3 version. Let's try this one up here. Look, it's still lying to me. Look down here, 2.1. I want that one. Where are you? I don't like it when people are dishonest, and they are being dishonest. You click on the view more, and it gives you all these options, what you can download, but it won't let you have it. Let's go number 3. 2 years ago, version 1.2.76. Click on it. It still says 2.1157 over here. I give up with this website. You suck. File Hippo, you suck. Misrepresenting. Let's go find some other website. 1.2, let's try this one. No more File Hippo crap. Right, so what's this? This is all weird. Windows. I don't want the Pro version. What the hell is all this crap on here? I'll tell you what, I'm going to go on Windows 7 and have a look at this website. I should have enough memory. Right, let's go and have a look. I've got the virtual machine running, so I should be able to run that now as well. Right, so if I go, I've got enough memory now, so it should be alright. Hang on. Windows 7. This is probably going to give me some headaches. I've never had two virtual machines running at the same time before, but there's always the first time. Now I've got more memory. And if I disappear abruptly, it's because something crashed. We'll see, won't we? Just about to out things, my CPU seems to be alright. Temperature's actually dropped, so that's good. Right, so I want that link. Because why is this website all weird? Right, let's copy it and open it on Windows 7. Which I can't stand. Well, Windows 10 is even worse. Everyone's starting to get problems with it, which is typical. Windows 10 especially is starting to become a problem. You see, as soon as you start removing spyware out of it, Microsoft punishes you by breaking it. And so basically either you let us spy on you or you're not going to have an operating system that works. Right. I can't paste the link. Why is that? Hang on a minute. Copy. Go back to 7. Paste. Now I've got it. Right, let's see what this website looks like on Windows 7. must be. It must be friggin' Chinese, that's why. It is, it's friggin' Chinese. No wonder I couldn't see it. They're all Chinese hieroglyphs and I don't have Chinese language installed in XP, that's why. Alright, okay, so that's why. Alright, let's just pause this virtual machine because let's just actually, hang on a minute. Close that browser out. Pause that virtual machine for now. Right. Go back to Ubuntu. Shubas. So, right, and it doesn't look like Chinese on here, it just looks like weird, I don't know. Well, let's find another website, next page. It's all too, there's nothing much around. I want the old version. Has anyone got the old version of Glasswire? It's a firewall. I'll look at this website. What the hell is this? Oh, bugger it. Forget it. Well, what the heck is it giving me this for? Because I'm looking for password. Well, it looks like I can't find it. Let's just take the setup bit out. Glasswire. Ah, might be there. One 1.2102. Are you on here? Let's try this first. It's just sending me in circles. Is this the one? It might not be the right one again, but we'll try it. Well, that one's got a Trojan in it, so that can go. Let's check this one out. This is so annoying. Why do people have to stick? Oh, it's clean. Wow. I found one that's clean. But is it the right version? No detected malware. Is it going to work? Right, let's find out. Probably won't. Glasswire is not compatible with this operating system. I am getting so fed up with that message. Right, wrong one. They gave me the wrong version again. Well, that's 2014, that looks old, so let's have a look at that one. Glasswire, that's 2014, probably got a virus in it again. That one can go. Version 2, looks like it's too new again. Probably is too new. Wrong folder. No. No? Stupid thing. This is screwing me about, so forget it. That website is dodgy. It wants to stick it in one folder, I don't want it. It says XP there. So will it? Are they telling lies again? Oh, go away! I'm about to give up on this glass wire. I'll just have to look on my right. No, it's got a Trojan in it. Forget it. I'll give up. I'm going to look on my hard drive because I might have one somewhere around. Maybe, if not, then I don't think I have though. Just need to double check. Oops. I don't think I have got it on my hard drive because I'll just double check though. I think it's 32-bit version, that's the thing. I think it's a 32-bit version. Oh, the Windows 7 version might work, I don't know. How old is that? That's from 2016, so that might. Let's try. Nope, doesn't work. What about that one? Actually, I need to scan these anyway. What happened to my open containing folder thing? That seems to have disappeared since Windows updated something. Security firewall. In security firewall, now let's have a look at that. That's from 2016. Let's scan it. Oh, well that's clean. Will that install? No, it's not compatible with my system. It must be 32-bit version. Damn it. I'm just going to look for another firewall I can use. Something that will compatible. Got a whole bunch. I'm going to try on like Armor, I think. Who wants my friggin' email address? Yeah. Sorry to block you out while I do this. I'm just putting an older version of Online Armour on it. It's one of the earlier versions before they discontinued it, because the later versions you can't install them at all because they activate online. But I think this is the older one that doesn't need to be activated online. I just needed a better firewall than what Windows gives you, because it's crap. 32. I don't know if it'll install it in 64-bit. It should do. Didn't give me any errors, so